In this video, we will guide you through the easy and simple process of setting up your Comfy Cubs baby gate right out of the box. The baby gate comes with the main gate, two 2.7-inch extensions, one 5.5-inch extension, 4 threaded spindles, 2 Y spindle rods, 4 wall cups, 4 foam stickers, 4 screws and 1 wrench. The Comfy Cubs baby gate is designed for use in multiple locations, including staircases, hallways, and different types of doorways. In this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating the installation in a doorway. Step 1. At the top of the gate, you'll notice a strap securing the frame and door together. Do not cut this strap until the installation is complete, as the gate is designed with a spring-like mechanism that provides added strength by pushing against the door frame. If you do cut the strap before installing the gate, you can just tie it back on and you're all set. Step 2. Start by measuring your door and, if necessary, add the extensions. In today's video, we'll be adding the 2.7-inch extensions on each side. Next, insert all 4 threaded spindles into the gate, attach the wall cups to each spindle, and position the gate where you want to install it. Lightly tighten all 4 spindles just enough to hold the gate in place so you can mark where the wall cups will go. Step 3. There are 2 ways to install the wall cups, so you can choose what works best for your space. Method 1. After marking your placement, take the gate down and attach a foam pad to the back of each wall cup. Then, line them up with your markings and press them into place securely. Method 2. With your placement marked, remove the gate and align the wall cups with the markings. Drill pilot holes at each location to make the installation smoother. Next, remove the wall cups and stick a foam pad to the back of each wall cup. Once that's done, line up the wall cups with the pilot holes and secure them firmly using the provided screws and a screwdriver. Step 4. Now, place the gate into the wall cups and rotate the tension bolts to gradually increase pressure. Use the provided key to tighten the bolts until the gap between the gate and frame disappears. Once everything is secure, cut the strap and test the gate to ensure it's properly installed. Step 5. To open the gate, first unlock the bottom lock on both sides. Then, pull back the top door lock and lift up. The gate swings open in both directions up to 90 degrees and locks in place when fully opened. If opened at less than 90 degrees, it will automatically close and lock behind you. If you have any questions, we're just a message away. Our customer support team is always ready to help. Thanks for trusting Comfy Cubs. Enjoy the safety and convenience of your new baby gate.